Namaskar, friends. Myself, Dr. Kamaljit Lakhtaria. I am working as Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science, Gujarat University. I am Coordinator for Department of Animation, ITIMS, and Mobile Applications, Gujarat University. I am thankful to Dr. Jagdish Joshi sir for creating such course online and inviting me to be a resource person. Friend, we aware in our day-to-day life, we have to deal with so many activities. Let's say regarding academic responsibilities, lectures, attendance, assignments, session notes, sessional exams, final exams, paper submission, paper assessment. Equal part goes to research activity. If we are pursuing PhD, then research paper writing, review, literature review, research result, thesis writing. If we are guiding, so we have to do the same thing of mentorship more than one time to guide each and every students. Apart from academic research, we do have administrative tasks as well. Happen what, friend? Whenever we used to create a data, it may be Excel file, it may be for region, it may be PDF, it may be Word file for sessional exam. We have to always keep in mind that I have stored my file in this folder, either in staff computer, or institute computer, or personal computer, or I have keep this file in pen drive at particular this location. If you want to access the pen drive, or if you want to access the computer, or if you forget on which Google Drive, which folder we have shared the file, we become paralyzed. We do have so many simultaneous activities, but when we are not finding appropriate data, appropriate file, appropriate information on right time, we require to do a lot searching in our mind. Friend, in this session, I will share one tool which will incorporate each and every activity from day to day life. It may be research, it may be academic, it may be administration, it may be whatever. We simply put everything at one platform. Yes, friend. That tool is very simple. I am sure by the end of the session, you all will be able to understand to start work on the tool. But friend, this apart from the tool, let me recall 5 year, 10 year back, we used to keep one pocket diary in our pocket. The diary simple aim to keep notes, note taking diary. Whatever immediate, whatever urgent, whatever quick requirement, we used to put on the diary, maybe with date, maybe with short description. Wherever we require, we just call the diary, open the diary, and get summarized about to-do list, what we require to do next step, what we have to do tomorrow, what we will do in next week, next month, whatever. The to-do list is now 100% online. But not only to-do list, that software is capable, equal the size of your hard disk. That means, friend, you are free to access, you are free to add, you are free to upload data as you think. That's so there are so many software available. Evernote's there, but I will share the software name is OneNote. OneNote is a software which, okay, let me share you this thing. Okay, friends. Okay, this is OneNote software. It's a very simple thing. Whenever you start, it's available with MS Office. I'm using OneNote 2016. One more version is OneNote for Office 365 is also there. This is a Organizing software, your data, what happened actually? We require to open the file, we require to open PDF, Word, Excel, all kind of document to check what exactly inside it. We again require to remember the location of folder. We cannot combine the files with to-do list, the files with other details. One or the software which combines everything. Let's say it can synchronize everything in one drive if you have login. It can organize everything. That is true. Okay. How it organizes, I will share you on screen. Okay. Now this is something we have found that in market a kind of diary or books available which is separated by multicolor, 4 color, 6 color diaries available. With a separate color of page, we can bifurcate this thing with a specific subject or specific topic. Saying we in OneNote there are sections. This is section one. I can name the section one for the subject teaching. Section two. So whatever my teaching activity, I will place in teaching tab, teaching page. I place here in research. Tab C I place everything here regarding admin work. So this is my teaching page. In teaching page, I do require to post whatever regarding my teaching activity. I do post very simple. uh, Semester 5. Let's say one more. I want to add that MS Word. What happened actually that whatever we put in MS Word, everything is goes in form of flow, and that flow required wherever we delete anything in between. That flow used to scroll the text. Herein, every single like Coral Draw in one node, everything is singly like a separate object. You can simply delete the object, like I am deleting this object right now, like this. Okay. So the other objects will not at all harmed. Okay. Other will be remain as it is. This is something I would like to share for the one node. Okay. Is it something? Yes. Okay. It's that. Sure. Okay. Oh, sure. Okay. Let me here in OneNote, let us check the menu. At presently, I have created three sections. That one is teaching, research, and admin work. I have shown you that we can create such with the movable objects. I can append things as and when required, like this only. Here in the menu, we have facility to create new, open, print, share. I can share with multiple persons. Export, send as well. I can export whole into my desktop or my cloud wherever I require, or I can send it. So same thing, the home menu, it is almost similar to MS Microsoft Word or other softwares, but the essential thing in home menu, that is the to-do list. Let's see. Let us start with the research home. Let me fix the menu first. Okay friends, here in this the to-do list, I have this much options to create my to-do for today, tomorrow, week, month, year schedule. I can add to-do a website to visit, Gujarat University.ac.in. We can add in to-do any idea to share. Okay, like this, to search on patent. So many things, or you can even summarize in terms of project. This is something, this project of about this conference. Okay, like this. In to do, we have this much text available at presently. We can create a new tag for university. XCTT. You can select symbol, any symbol that is preferred. Okay, like this. You can select font colors for the same. Okay, this is the highlight color again for the same. Okay, oh, this is something. Now we have one more tag, that is university. Let us use it. The tag created. Okay, it is the report. So this is, apart from time management, activity management, resource management, this thing is something which directly controls your day-to-day schedule, planning, activity, everything. Here, without spending much time, let me share some other concepts of the same. Let me split the screen. Now you can check two screens on my screen, on my screen. That is, I am visiting Gujarat University website. What happened that whenever we visit any website, we either required to do bookmark or we required to call the particular search tag in our mind. Without doing anything, we simply drag and drop the site name. Not only this thing, friends, any content which you found, you can simply use the content to drag and drop. Likewise, let me show you. You can directly use the same. Okay. Now the photo is here with me. Even if I forget the resource or I forget, it can be on any font or any kind of language, any object even it is there only, friends. Okay, so it will again show you from which link it is actually copied, from which where it is actually retrieved. It is there only. So apart from remembering the website, apart from remembering the web page tag, we can use it in MS Doc, Microsoft Doc file. We do have size of document for legal. Here it is a free size. More content you are having, you are free to add your content. Your all content will be remain here as it is. You are free to float, you are free to add, you are free to delete whatever you want to do. You can do it. Likewise, these are the two separate objects. I can merge it, I can delete it, anything you can do it. Okay, to do tag, if I want to do, I can do it. We can find from tag, we can directly send email from the page to anyone through Outlook. It is configured with the Outlook. So soon it will start Outlook as well. Hereingly, meeting details. If it is we have planned any meeting today, it will show us. Now, friend, let us come to the benefits part. If I am using one software in my university computer, I must require to have a pen drive or Google Drive to bring the data to my home or other location. Here in MS Microsoft OneNote, I won't require to do anything. If I have shared, if I have shared this file through my OneNote login, I have login of the particular Gujarat University. It's a Microsoft platform we are having. If I have the same thing, without doing anything, if simply once I logged in OneNote at my other location, home computer, or even in my OneNote app in Google Play Store as well as Android, I retrieve the same data, same moment through other computer, laptop, tablet, mobile, anything. I won't require to copy anything to my pen drive. I won't require to store anything to multiple location. The OneNote doc, OneNote sheet is saved anywhere. Okay. So let us check other features of the OneNote. In insert menu, we can insert space. We can insert table as like the MS Word we are having. This is something I want to share with you. Let us share with example. This is the email to share the screen. Okay, cancel, cancel. Okay. Now happen what I require to copy and paste. Here for the files option, I can directly drag and drop PDF, MS Word, JPG, BMP, Excel, any kind of file. Now this file, if I delete the file from this desktop, I can access the same file from OneNote. Yes, let us check. Okay, open it. So whatever document I do have, the document is now fully accessed. Likewise, I can use image, I can use Word file, anything. Okay, here it's a option attach file or insert printout. So let us attach file only. But in next step, let me share. In research, I use the same thing and I select the option insert printout. Now, without opening the file, the complete data remain inside the Word, PDF, Excel file is supposed to spread in the sheet. I have inserted this file and this is the direct content mentioned in the file. So these are the benefits of OneNote. Option file printout. That means the complete pages, all pages will be there in the printout. File in attachment. That means like this, we are having the attachment. This okay. Now let us check one more statement. This is the spreadsheet. We can use any existing Excel spreadsheet to be added here from our system, or we can directly create a new Excel sheet. The environment of MS Excel will alive here. You can simply let us check. Okay, I show you on screen. Let me edit. Two, two. Okay, let me sum four. Okay. Now let me set it. Okay, save. Just a minute. Okay. Now the spreadsheet is stored here where we are lively work on the same. This is something example of various features of Microsoft OneNote. Let us start one more tab. We can insert screen clipping. Sometime I thought that I like so and so website and I want to capture a particular part of the website. Let's say for Gujarat University. Okay. In screen clipping, we can directly take a screen snap. Okay. Oh, let me check. Let us check this. This portion we have taken on particular date, time, screen clipping taken. Now let me share the benefits. On right click, copy text from the picture. It's actually an image file. I have copied the same and now for me it is completely an editable version of the text is there. OneNote contain optical character reader facility with itself. Likewise, I can again insert here pictures. It can be anything. In OneNote, drag and drop is also possible. I can attach online pictures as well. Let us start it. Okay, let me search. Okay, I have selected this picture. It is from website and it will be inserted here. It is there. So it's a that level easy. Happened what? It's a platform which store all kind of data. It might be skin clipping, it may be Excel, it may be PDF, it may be JPG, anything. One more thing, we can retrieve, store online video as well as one more thing that I just forget to share with you, friends. Here, this is a video file. Let me upload the video file. Okay, okay. Let me upload it. It's a MP4. Let us check it. Now the video file is uploaded. Earlier we have uploaded image file, doc file, PDF file, and we have worked with Excel file as well. Now let us play. So here we can play any kind of media, audio, video, anything from there. Like you can check it practically more clearly, or even we can connect here some online video as well. Okay. Let me share the screen. Okay. Here we can even record our audio, record our video. If any document we require to insert timestamp, also this thing can be possible with using this thing. Equations, especially for the mathematics or other subjects, we can insert equations. Let's say the complete equivalent to Mathematica, the complete features of equations and all available here. You can even do such thing that you create equation from here and use somewhere else. It's also possible. Okay, symbols are also here. So many symbols are there. You can use. Now let us go back to the main thing, that is draw. Okay, in draw, it is the lasso effect. Planning here, we require something to. You can do it with your touchscreen device. Whatever we have created, we simply erase it. Okay, it's nice thing. We insert objects. We can even delete it. We can arrange the objects, whatever. This thing I want to share with you. It is an ink to math facility. Sometimes we won't have such equations stored or its format stored. Here, we simply better we work with the touch screen. It will convert whatever we mention here. We can simply put insert, so it is there only. Anything, you can say it's 10 minus 4 something insert, so it's now there. So these are the facilities which make Microsoft OneNote more and more useful in our day-to-day operations, day-to-day activities. Rather, in history, this is something a more important part. Whatever editing, even today, made by me, each and every activity, like I have used this thing, I have created this, I have add Excel file, everything is stored here in this. If you have multiple author, we can even search by author, means member, that which member had worked for which thing. Okay, review, we can even go for spelling correction, we can go for research on grammatical mistake thresholds. Translate facility is also available. Language facility is for selected links are there. We can make the one note more password protected by sharing it. Okay, we can link other notes with such with this thing. Okay, right now we don't require this thing. One more is the view. This is something more useful. Let's say example, if I won't require this thing, I can delete this thing. I don't want this thing. Yes, I want to delete this thing. Okay, this is a very basic look. I want to have a look like a book, or I want to have a look like this square book. So this thing is only useful to just have change in look, change in appearance. Okay, earlier whatever I am doing, I do the same thing. But now the change is only that it is something more with more interactive features are there. We can hide titles. We can do it like this. We can even add a page color, like this page color is there. We can change the page color. Okay, dock to desktop is a facility. Many times what happen, we require to convert the screen or something like this only. Okay, dock to desktop is a facility where 30% of your screen will be occupied right side by OneNote, and in remaining 70% we are free to access, we are free to do anything. Let's say example, I want to check this thing. Okay, startup support. Okay, so this will be remain as it is in 70% of the screen. Or here directly I can move the text here and there. Okay, it is something that now I don't want this thing. I want to use MS Word. So MS Word will be remain in 70% of the screen, and I can simply drag and drop the same from there to here. So it is that level of easy. Dock to desktop is basically a facility which resize the OneNote into a part, and remaining part in main window we can use other softwares for the same screen. This is a full page view. So normally at present what we are having, okay, it is something that we can have new window, new output window, new quick notes. Quick notes is again good thing. Okay. Other than opening the complete software, the quick note will capture thing through there. Always on top, start the further features. Okay, it is based on such things. Okay, now it's working. Clear. These are the main features of OneNote. We use such thing as a part of our day-to-day activity, as a part of our all activities. It may be research, academic, administration, any planning. It may be a tour planning. It may be activity planning. It may be conference planning. It may be anything. That level of features are there. If you start using it, I am sure that we all will forget Google, how to share with Google Drive or share with pen drive or keep in local hard disk. No, you simply do your thing and paste over here and free to share it. Okay, so that's it for today's session. I am sure that the software will definitely, the features like to-do list, the features like insert multiple files, file printout, audio video editing, audio video capturing, mathematics symbols, equations, and especially for the software that review of activity, view, and all such things definitely useful to create work with a real-time note-taking software, which will be definitely empower our day-to-day activities. Okay, let me share the screen so and start the recording.